This is the Accounts page, platform-aware account management with built-in login automation. It has 5 sub-tabs along the side. The account list is your library. 6 cards track the pool: total, unused, active, completed, failed, and locked. Below them, each account shows its email, password, recovery, status, and how many times it has been used. Import accounts in bulk from a file or your clipboard. An auto map to profiles pairs each one with a browser profile in a single click. Double-click any account to edit it. Fix the email, password, recovery, or extra field, then save. The login automator is where the magic happens. Pick a platform, and CyyBot loads its login flow. A series of steps that run on every browser instance: opening the site, typing the email and password, and clicking through the prompts. Add or edit steps, then hit Run Login Automation to sign every account in, one-to-one, with your profiles. Each step opens in its own editor, where you set the type, selector, value, timing, and timeout. The same builder from the Task Builder, tuned for logins. The Settings tab controls how the run behaves. Choose your execution mode, all at once or one by one. Set how many browsers run at the same time, and the window layout. Then scope it to your profiles, with switches for headless real-click mode, image verification, skipping accounts already logged in, and keeping browsers open afterward. Platform Config stores each platform's accounts in its own file, so the mapping always stays correct. Import, export, or clear them per platform. And Edit Pool is a raw text editor for the whole list. Remove duplicates, sort, bulk replace emails, map passwords, or find and replace, then save it straight back. Together, these keep hundreds of accounts organized and log them in hands-free, ready for the task runner to use.